So what do you mean by functions? Functions are nothing but some blocks. Okay, it has some lines which perform one particular task. Okay, why do you go for functions? What is the use? We can repeatedly use that block of code. Okay, so it is called as code reusability. Okay, it is called as so the main use of functions is going for code reusability. Okay, and you just note down the points. Now, update points in the எழுதிக்கோங்க. Okay, code reusability. So tell me the syntax. Tell me the syntax. Since we have already discussed in lab, can anyone tell me the syntax? Or what? Yes, function declaration. Okay, first one is function declaration. Next is function definition. Okay, and the third is function call. Okay, we have to do all these things to write a program using functions. Okay, function declaration, function definition, then function call. First we start with declaration. Okay, so while you are starting a program, first you have to declare that there is a function in your program. So what is the syntax for that? We have already discussed in lab. We are going to do addition of two numbers. Okay, so what is the syntax? Name I will give it as add. Okay, my function name is add. Then I want two numbers, so I will give int a comma int b. Will there be semicolon here? Will there be semicolon here? Yes. Yes. Okay, because while declaring you will be giving semicolon, right? If you give int a, you will be giving a semicolon. Okay, so similarly, so this is nothing but function declaration. You are telling the compiler that there is a function here. Okay, so you have to write this line. Next, your main program. Okay, so inside your main program, you will be defining two variables. That whether it should be a, b, or it can be some other variable. You put some other variable. Okay, so that you don't get confused. So here I am putting in x comma y comma s. Okay. Next, what I will do, I am going to call the function. Here you can declare the value of x and y, or otherwise you can get from user also. Okay. X you can give it as 5, y you can give it as 10, and then you can run the program, or you can get these two numbers from user using printf and scanf. Okay, that also you can do. Then how will I call the function? What is the syntax of calling the function? Okay, so this is your function call. Okay, so after seeing this line, your compiler go to your function call. Okay, is this clear? So here I will be giving printf your s. Okay. This I will be giving. So after seeing this slide, you will go to your function definition. How will you define the function? What do you mean by function definition? There only you have to define what that function is doing. Okay, what task that function is going to do. So here function definition, you have to write the same line without the semicolon. Okay, int add, int a, int b. Then I can just write it as return a plus b. Okay, that's all. You can give it like this also, or you can give it like, s is equal to a plus b. You can declare another variable here, and then also you can give. Okay, here simply I am going to write return a plus b. In function definition, you have to tell what that is doing. Okay, what function it is going to do, and also you are going to return the value. Okay, in your return a plus b directly I am giving. In case if you are giving some other variable, for example, s is equal to a plus b, அந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா you want to return s னு கொடுக்கணும். Is this clear? Okay, so that's all. So this is your program. First you have to declare your functions. Okay, next here you will be calling your function. After calling your function, your compiler will go to your function definition, it will do the operation, and then it will come here and it will print the value. Okay, and you can give return 0 and you can close your program, your main program. Is this clear? Is this program clear? Functions. Okay.